Good evening, students. In this video, I will solve these questions from chapter 4, and the name of the chapter is Quadratic Equations and exercise 4.1. A train travels a distance of 480 kilometers at a uniform speed. If the speed has been 8 kilometers per hour less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. We need to find the speed of the train. If you see from the questions, we need to find the speed of the train. Solutions: let the speed of the trains be x kilometers per hour. So if you see clearly from the questions, there are two cases here. Firstly, is this a train traveler at a distance of 48 kilometers at a uniform speed? It means that given distance is equal to 480 kilometers. Speed is equal to x kilometer per hour, because in the first case, we don't know the speed. So we let x be the speed of the train. So we use the formula of a speed. Speed is equal to distance by time. So we want time here, so time is equal to distance by speed. So substitute the values of distance and speed in this formula. So we will get time is equal to 480 by x. This is the first case. And the second case, if the distance is the same, and from the questions, if the speed has been 8 kilometers per hour less, it means that speed is equal to x minus 8 kilometers per hour. So the formula of time is distance by speed. So time is substitute the values of distance is 480 and time and speed is x minus a. So we get this. This is the time after the speed has been 8 kilometers less. According to equation, it says like this: if the speed has been 8 kilometers per hour less, it means this is equal to 3 more mean plus 3 to cover the same distance. It means this distance 480 by x. Here, this left hand side will remain the same, and this right hand side, here we will take the LCM. Here the LCM is x, so in the numerator we will have only 480 plus 3x. And here we cross multiply this 480 plus 3x. Here we just cross multiply this 480 plus 3x with this x minus a, and this 480 with this multiply with this x will give me 480x. And here we multiply this 480 with this x will give me 480x, and 480 with this minus 8 will give me 3840, and multiply this 3x with this x will give me 3x squared, and multiply this 3x with this minus 8 will give me minus 24x, and this right hand side 480x, if I carry it to the left hand side, will give me minus 480x and is equal to 0. And here this 480 will get cancelled, and this minus 480 will get cancelled, so we left only plus 3x squared minus 24x, and with this minus 3840. And here, because here if you see clearly the common term is 3, so if I take 3 I will left only x, and minus 24 if I take common 3 will give me minus 8x, and common term here if 3 I take 3 I will left only minus 1280. So if you see clearly, this is the quadratic equations. So to solve the quadratic equations, we will factorize it by using the split the middle term. The middle term here is minus hx. So we split minus 40x plus 32x. And here the common term here is x. If I take x, so I will left only x. So here minus 40x, I already take x, so I will left only minus 40. Here the common term here is 32. If I take 32, I will left only x. And this 1280 I can written like this: 32 into 40 will give me 1280. So 32 I already taken, so I left only 40. So that's why I get here x minus 40. So if you observe here, x minus 40 and x minus 40 is common term, so I will take x minus 40 is common, so I will left only x here, and with this plus 32. So either this x minus 40 is equal to 0 or x plus 32 is equal to 0. And this minus 40, if I carry it to the right hand side, will give me plus 40, and this one it will give me x is equal to minus 32. Note here, note speed cannot be negative. Speed cannot negative, so we'll ignore this x is equal to minus 32. So we will select this x is equal to 40. If you remember that in the previous I said let x be the speed of the train. Let x be the speed of the train. So here we find the value of x is equal to 40. So therefore the speed of the train be 40 kilometers per hour. So thank you for watching.